Hey everyone, welcome back to Live Longer, Live Better, where we dive into science-backed health tips to help you live your best life. Today, we're uncovering the #1 anti-aging hack that might surprise you. It's not about expensive creams or miracle supplements. Nope, it's all about something hidden in your bloodstream: iron. Yes, you heard that right. Stick around to find out how iron could be the key to slowing down aging. Also, make sure to watch till the end, because the last 3 tips are absolute game changers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's dive right in. First, let's quickly understand what aging really is. Aging isn't just about wrinkles or grey hair. It's a complex process involving cellular damage, oxidative stress, and inflammation. Over time, these factors lead to decreased energy, cognitive decline, and chronic diseases. But what if we could slow down this process by targeting a hidden factor most people overlook? Also, it is one of the biggest factors that influence aging: oxidative stress caused by free radicals. And guess what contributes to that? Excess iron. Iron is essential for our health. It helps transport oxygen in the blood and supports energy production. But here's the twist: too much iron can accelerate aging. Excess iron leads to something called oxidative stress, which damages cells, proteins, and even your DNA. Think of it like rusting metal. Iron can cause rust inside your body. Studies have shown that high iron levels are linked to age-related diseases like heart conditions, diabetes, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. So, managing iron isn't just about preventing deficiency, it's about maintaining the right balance. You might be thinking, but I don't even take iron supplements. The truth is, iron can build up naturally, especially as we age. Here's how. 1. Genetics. Conditions like hemochromatosis cause the body to absorb too much iron. 2. Diet. Red meat, iron-fortified foods, and even cooking with cast iron pans add to your intake. 3. Gender. Men and postmenopausal women are at higher risk because they don't lose iron regularly through menstruation. Here are some of the key side effects of excess iron that not only affect your health, but can also make you look and feel older. 1. Skin aging and hyperpigmentation. Iron buildup can cause skin discoloration and premature wrinkles. 2. Chronic fatigue. Iron overload can damage mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of your cells. 3. Organ damage. Excess iron can accumulate in vital organs like the liver, heart, and pancreas, leading to serious conditions. 4. Joint pain and arthritis. Iron deposits in joints can cause pain and stiffness. 5. Hormonal imbalance. Iron affects glands like the thyroid, impacting metabolism and aging. Now, let's clear something up. Having too little iron can be just as harmful. Iron deficiency anemia happens when your body doesn't have enough iron to produce healthy red blood cells. Causes include poor diet, chronic blood loss, pregnancy, or conditions that affect absorption, like celiac disease. The key is balance. Not too much, not too little. So what's the hack to counteract excess iron and oxidative stress? Antioxidants. They neutralize free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. You can boost your antioxidant reserves through 1. Diet. Eat colorful fruits and vegetables like berries, spinach, and bell peppers. 2. Lifestyle. Regular exercise, proper sleep, and stress management. 3. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to help flush out toxins. Think of antioxidants as your body's internal defense system. So, what's the hack? It's simple. Optimize your iron levels. This doesn't mean avoiding iron completely, it means keeping it in balance, not too high, not too low. Here's how you can do it effectively. First, get tested. Start with a simple blood test to check your ferritin and transferrin saturation levels. This helps you understand your current iron status. Next, donate blood if applicable. One of the easiest ways to reduce excess iron is by donating blood regularly. This not only helps others, but also reduces oxidative stress in your body. Then, make some diet tweaks. Limit foods high in heme iron, like red meat, if your levels are high. Instead, focus on plant-based iron sources which are less readily absorbed. Also, avoid iron supplements unless prescribed. Never take iron supplements unless your doctor recommends them. Unnecessary supplementation can do more harm than good. Consider avoiding vitamin C with high iron meals because vitamin C increases iron absorption. Additionally, eat antioxidant-rich foods. Foods rich in antioxidants like berries, green tea, and leafy greens can help combat iron-induced oxidative stress. Finally, consult your doctor. Always get professional advice before making health changes. Recent studies have shown that individuals with moderate iron levels tend to live longer and healthier lives. In fact, some longevity hotspots around the world have diets naturally low in iron, combined with active lifestyles and regular fasting, which also helps regulate iron levels. While food is the best source of nutrients, some supplements can support your anti-aging goals. Here's a list to consider. Vitamin C and E, powerful antioxidants. Coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10 supports energy production in cells. Resveratrol, found in red wine linked to longevity. Curcumin, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Magnesium, vital for hundreds of bodily functions. Omega-3 fatty acids, supports heart and brain health. Zinc, important for immune function and reducing oxidative stress. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regimen. So there you have it. The secret to slowing down aging isn't in some magic cream or expensive supplement. It's simple. Manage your iron levels and boost your antioxidants. By understanding how iron affects aging and protecting your cells with antioxidants, you're setting the foundation for a healthier, longer life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Comment below if you've ever had your iron levels checked, or if you have questions. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay healthy, stay youthful, and I'll see you in the next video.